Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing good. Now we will move towards exercise 5 from page number 68. Question number 1 is filling the blanks. Power is another term for. What term we use for power is exponents. A negative base raised to an odd number gives a dash number. The question is a negative base raised to an odd number means we have a negative base raised with the power of an odd number. 3 is an odd number, so we have a negative base. The answer will be negative because whenever we have a odd number in power, then we will write minus. Understand, minus in power, we have learned it earlier also. So minus 2 3 times because there is power of 3, so write minus 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and minus because of the power is odd. Now third part is value of 5 cube and 2 cube is. You have to write 5 3 times and write 2 3 times. So what will we get? Let's have a look. By multiplying 3 times 5 and 3 times 2, what did we get? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 125 when multiplied with 8, it will give 1000. So the answer will be 1000. In part 4, we have if the bases are same, then powers are added, as you have read in laws of exponents. Now moving towards fifth part, a number raised to power of 0 is equal to dash. As we have learned that whenever a number is raised to a power of 0, the answer will be equals to 1. So you will write 1 in last filling the blank. Moving towards question number 2, we have state whether the following are true or false. 2 cube multiplied by 4 cube is equals to 6 cube. Is it true or false? Let's check it out. 2 cube, we make 4 as 2 square also. So 2 cube, 2 square as 4, whole raised to power 3. 2 3s are 6. Base is same and multiplying. So add the powers 3 plus 6, 9. So we got 2 raised to power 9, not 6 raised to power 3. So first true false is false. Next is minus 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 4 is equals to minus 3. Let's have a look. Minus 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 4. So what will be, it will give minus as it is 3 raised to power 5, 4, then becomes minus 4 when taking with 5. Understand? Minus 3, 5 minus 4, 1. Minus 3 raised to power 1 or minus 3 is same. So option 2 is correct. You will write T over there. Third is the reciprocal of 2 raised to power 4 is 4 squared. Not at all. The reciprocal of 2 raised to power 4 is 2 raised to power minus 4. Like this. Next is 2000 raised to power 0 multiply with 1000 raised to power 0. 2000 raised to power 0, 1. Multiply by 1. Answer will be 1. Is it true? It is true. Write T here. 5 4 is greater than 4 5. Let's have a look. Let's check it out. We have 5 raised to power 4, then multiply 5 4 times, 5 5 5 5, and 4 raised to power 5 means multiply 4 5 times. You got 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625, and 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256, 256 4s are 1024. So 625 is greater than 1024. It is wrong. So you will write false in option number 5 of question number 2. In question number 3, we have express the following as rational numbers. I am solving first 2 parts for you. You have to solve next 2 parts by yourself. We have 4 by 5 whole square means separate squares for both. 4 square and then 5 square. 4 square means multiply 4 2 times and multiply 5 2 times. 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25. Write in the form of rational numbers means you have to write the answer in over form. In a form of fraction also. You can say that. In part 2, we have minus 2 by 3 whole cube. Minus cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Minus is here, so we take cube of minus also. Whenever we have a positive odd number or negative sign, then the answer will be also negative. 2 cube means multiply 2 3 times, and 3 cube means multiply 3 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Understand? In question number 4, we have extras as powers of rational numbers. Let's have a look. I am solving first two parts for you. You have to write down by yourself part number 3 and solve it also. In part number 1, we have 27 over 125. Just find out prime factors of 27. Then we got 3 times 3, and when we got prime factors of 125, we got 3 times 5. So writing 3 times 3 and 3 times 5. So we have 3 cube over 5 cube. We have expressed rational number in terms of exponents. So part number 2, we have 144 over 81. So take prime factorization of 144. We got 4 times 2 and 3 times 2 times 3. So you write it over there. Then by taking prime factorization of 81, you got 3 times 4 times 3. You can break it also 3 times. Make a pair 3 square and 3 square. You got 3 square multiplied by 3 square. 1 3 square cancels 1 3 square. You are left with 2 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 2. I hope you understand it also. Solving first part of question number 5, we have minus 2 by 3 whole cube multiplied by minus 3 by 2 whole square. Minus raised to power odd numbers, so minus will remains the same. 2 cube over 3 cube multiplied by 3 square over 2 square. Minus 2 cube means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 square means 3 square we got 9 and 2 square is equals to 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We are left with 2 and 9 and denominator is 27. 2 9s are 18 and denominator is 27. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. We are left with 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is our answer. How will you write it as? You will write minus 2 by 3. In part number 2 of question number 5, you have to just change the sign of division in them. Then you can easily solve the question. You have to do part 2 by yourself. Moving towards part number 3, we have minus 2 by 3 whole square by cube. In part number 3, now considering power rule, we have minus 2 by 3 square by cube. So what will you do? 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 6. Multiply the powers, the power of 2 by 3 and the whole power. 2 multiplied by 3 6. We got minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 6. Minus raised to power 6. Minus 6 is an even number, so minus will not continue. Understand? 2 raised to power 6, 2 6 and 3 raised to power 6. 2 6 means you have to multiply 2 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So 2 raised to power 6 is 64 and 3 raised to power 6 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243, 243 3s are 729. So you are left with 64 as numerator and 729 as denominator. You have to complete first 5 parts of unit number 5 exponent of exercise 5, page number 68 on your NEET notebooks. For any problem you can discuss with me. I will inshallah give you better result for your acknowledgement. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.